Hello everyone. I would like to review what we learned today in class about nouns. Remember, a noun is a person, place, animal, thing, or idea. So let's describe this picture with what we know about nouns. The person is a firefighter. The place is a building. The thing can be a fire hydrant. The idea can be strength. A little more of a breakdown about nouns. Proper nouns are all names and special things like brands or cities. For example, Mary likes ice cream, or Los Angeles is a popular city. Common nouns describe general items. For example, she likes ice cream, or this is a popular city. Now I want you to try to find the nouns. And now you can check your work. Hopefully you did well. And now it's time to practice proper nouns and common nouns. Great job, you guys. Now you know a little bit more about nouns. If you still need a refresher or have any more questions, please let me know during our next class session. Thank you.